Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a free outro for your YouTube video. I know last time I made a how to make a free intro, and this time we're making an outro using Panzoid again. So now once you're on Panzoid, what you do is you can scroll down and click more creations over here. Now you click the search icon and you can search for outros, and over here there's a bunch of outros, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this template. Now, once you click it, you click open in Clipmaker. Now, once it's open, let's just wait for it. Okay, now once it's open, you can, once again, it's just like the intro, how to make an intro. It's pretty similar. So if you guys haven't watched that, go ahead, you can watch it. And the link will be somewhere on the screen. I don't know, it'll pop up somewhere. Anyway, so you can click this eye icon and then you click play, and I think that's pretty good. It kind of like the music kind of suits the theme of my channel, so I don't know. I kind of like that. But so now what you're gonna do is go to the objects and look for the text name like it says over here, and once you find it, you just click on it. Sometimes there will be like 4 or 5, and like just like last time there could be 1, 2, but in this case there's 2, I think. Yeah, there's 2. And what we're gonna do is write down, you can do anything, like for example subscribe. Should I do subscribe or should I put my channel name? Because if it says subscribe, that'd be like, it'd be kind of nice, but it's already gonna be right here. My logo is gonna be over here already, so I'm not exactly sure, but I think I could also put my name on there. But first, let's pick the colors. Okay, so to pick the colors, you scroll down and you can change the color. So for example, white is the one on the back, and I can make this. I think this is gonna look weird, but I mean that's not too bad. Hold on, what if I make this one white? Um, that's kind of Roblox themed ish. I don't know, reminds me of Roblox. But now let's change this to black, and let's make this red. I said red. Well, that's not what's supposed to happen. Oh, wait. I think let's dang, 1 second. So I clicked. Let's pick a different color. Why is it not changing? But that's what? That's so weird. So does this not work? I'm confused now. That wasn't supposed to happen. I think I accidentally clicked something. Hold on, so 1 second, let me try figuring this out, guys. I'll be back. Hey, what's up guys, I'm back, and all I had to do was basically just get out and come back in, and it kind of worked. So now let's change the color. I actually put Flanky, so my YouTube channel name, and now, come on bro, okay. So now let's change the color of the back one to red, I think, and now the front one, let's make it white. Let's see how that looks. Dang, I feel like a Marvel superhero or something. Let's make this red and this one white. Yeah, I think okay, that's it. That looks pretty good. So now let me pick my font size, my font. Okay, so to pick your font, you can just click over here. Come on guys, you should already know. So you let's yeah, I forgot. So every time you change one text, you have to change the other two. So I can't really know what it looks like if I don't change both of them. Thing. Flanky. I don't know. That looks kind of nice, but let me try some other ones. Permanent mark. Permanent mark. Flanky. Dang, these look nice. Okay. Let's see. Lobster. That looks kind of nice. Flanky. Flanky. I wonder what that means. This looks good too. Dang, all these nice fonts. I can't decide. I think I'm gonna go with lobster. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go with lobster. Hamburger Heaven didn't really surprise me. It's a nice font, but like, it just depends on the words you use, you know? So I'm gonna go with, where is it? I picked lobster, right? Yeah, lobster. Okay, I think lobster looks nice. So, okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna change. This is the white one, right? Okay. So I'm gonna change the thickness on this to 2. So let's make this 2. Oh wait, yeah, 2. Okay. Now that looks nice. And let's view it again to see what it looks like. Yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. It's just the back, the color of the background is kind of like it doesn't really match with my logo, or my channel name and the color and font. But I think it's pretty okay, as far as a good outro goes, because it's the music and everything is nice, and to be honest, I don't really mind. Or black. No, I'm gonna keep it with red, yeah. Because that's just how I don't know, I just like it like this for some reason. And now let's go to, oh yeah, so to download it, you just click this right here, and now I put it on mode balanced, which it was already like this, but I find it just works really nice like this. And then for format, I use MKV. So now once you're done with your outro, you just click start video render, and after it's done, it'll just ask you to download it, and that's basically it. I'll show you guys once it's done. So hey, what's up guys? Now once it's done downloading or rendering, you can just click download the video. And that's about it. If you guys want me to show you how to upload it onto your video after you're done posting it, just let me know and I'll make you a video on that too. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.